I think a perfect encapsulation of the priorities of this phone are, I mean, look at this design. It's an insane design, but technically no camera bump. I mean, the rings obviously protrude a little bit, but most flagship phones at this point also have some sort of big camera bump that they all sit on. It turns out to get this whole big telephoto camera to not have a bump, they actually engineered part of the PCB or the board inside to have a hole in it so the optics could actually split, like punch through the PCB instead of being stacked totally on top of it. I'm sure we'll see this in like a jerry rig everything teardown video at some point. But yeah, basically mission accomplished. No camera bump. But that also meant they had to use some smaller parts to make it work, and this is actually a physically smaller telephoto than the cheaper Nothing Phone 3A Pro. So spoiler, the design is still the priority of this phone. Always has been. But let's talk about the most controversial bit of this design, which is the glyphs, which made Nothing phones famous for a couple years. This year, the glyph lights are gone, and replacing them is this small display on the back upper corner of the phone.